In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a photography portfolio website with a portfolio page, a contact form, and an online store. To begin, choose a high-resolution, image-focused template. This matters because photography websites rely heavily on visuals, and the design should support large, clear images without feeling cluttered. Look for a layout that gives your photos plenty of space, uses clean typography, and keeps distractions to a minimum. A strong image-first template will help your work stand out immediately and create a more professional first impression. It's also a good idea to preview how the template looks on both desktop and mobile, since many visitors will browse your portfolio from their phones. Next, create a main portfolio page to showcase your work categories. Instead of placing everything into one long gallery, organize your content in a way that helps visitors quickly find what they're looking for. For example, you might group your work by event type, portrait sessions, commercial projects, or travel photography. The goal here is to make your portfolio feel polished and easy to navigate. As you build this page, think of it as the central hub of your site. It should guide potential clients or buyers toward the specific style of work that interests them most. Keep the layout visually balanced and make sure each category is clearly presented so visitors can move through your work smoothly. After that, add a contact form block and include fields for event date, venue, and project scope. This step is especially useful because it helps you collect the most important information right away, without needing a long back and forth conversation just to understand an inquiry. The event date lets you check availability, the venue gives you location context, and the project scope helps you understand what the person actually needs. When setting up the form, make sure it feels simple and approachable. You want it to gather useful details while still being quick for someone to complete. A clear contact form can save time and make you appear more organized and professional. Finally, connect an e-commerce store page to sell digital presets or physical prints. This is a great way to turn your website into more than just a portfolio by giving visitors a direct path to purchase your work. If you're selling digital presets, make sure the product presentation is clear and visually appealing. If you're offering physical prints, focus on strong product images and clean descriptions so buyers understand exactly what they're getting. Once your store is connected, your website